Ready?
Get set.
Ready!
Okay, guess the picture. All
Yes,
answers
the
start with letter O.
Magbabasa
Okay.
ko na ha.
A round, juicy
Citrus.
citrus fruit with a
Touch.
bright reddish yellow rind. Orange.
Tama, orange.
Yellow. Ang galing mo bumunot, anak ko. Numbers that
Uy,
are
sinagot
not
mo.
divisible by 2. Odd. Add.
Odd.
Ha? Add numbers. Ba't may gano'n? 4. An edible bulb with a pungent taste and smell composed of several concentric layers used in cooking. Onion.
Tama, onion.
Hindi ka baby ko, hindi ka nilubuhan.
A garment consisting of trousers with a front flap.
Trousers.
Okay lang yan. Over the chest, held up by straps over the shoulders. Made of sturdy material and worn especially as casual or working clothes.
Alam ko na, pambabaeng damit.
Number 21.
A garment?
A garment consisting of trouser with a front flap over the chest, held by the strap over the shoulder, made of sturdy material and worn especially as casual or working clothes. Overall.
Tama, overall.
Having lived for a long time, no longer young. Old.
Tama. Old.
15. The lowest cardinal number half of 2. 1.5.
Mali.
Lowest cardinal number half of 2. 1. 9969.
Tama.
24. A particular time or instant of an event. Ano ito? Ano sagot? Pass.
A particular time or instance of an event. Organize.
Mali. Passion.
2. A cephalopod mollusk with 8 sucker-bearing arms, a soft body, strong break line, jaw, and no internal shells. Octopus.
Tama, octopus.
The man number 11. A very large expanse of sea, in particular each of the main areas into which the sea is divided geographically. Audition.
Ha? Yung! Ano sagot dito?
Ocean.
Singa eh. Di ocean.
Expanses of the sea.
A viscous liquid derived from petroleum, especially for use as a fuel or lubricant. Oil.
Tama, oil.
A brand of chocolate sandwich cookie with a creamy white filling. Oreo.
Tama, Oreo.
A plant with complex flowers that are often showy or bizarrely shaped, having a large specialized leaf labellum and frequently a spore. Orchid.
Tama, orchid.
The Japanese art of folding paper into
Alam ko
decorative
yan.
shapes and figures.
Oh, 8, 9.
Wait lang.
Hindi mo alam yun.
Lang.
Kamuyoy.
Oh,
Origami.
Origami.
Mali!
Origami.
Origami.
Origami sabi niya.
Origami nga yan.
Origami.
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 Oregano. Jen, oh, binabak.
Legless, swift, running African bird with a long neck, long legs, and 2 toes of each foot. Ostrich.
Tama, ostrich.
1. A nocturnal bird of prey with a large forward-facing eyes surrounded by facing discs
A hooked break and typically a loud call. Owl.
Tama.
Uy, mali. Uy naman, oh.
12. An enclosed compartment as in a kitchen range for cooking and heating food. Wait lang.
Dali eh.
Oven.
Tama, oven.
Kala ko, hindi mo pa rin alam eh. Oh, ang dali. The 10th month of
Number 23. The 10th month of the year, October.
Tama, October.
Ba't akin lang yun eh.